Enhancements in AutoCAD 2019 make it easy to see what's changed between two drawings. The Drawing Compare feature overlays two drawings and highlights the differences between them. This makes it easy to review and understand what parts of the drawings have changed. Drawing Compare automatically generates revision clouds around the differences and allows you to easily navigate to the highlighted changes. The new Drawing Compare feature is accessible from the Collaborate tab on the ribbon or by entering Compare in the command line. Clicking on the DWG Compare button launches Drawing Compare. Select the first drawing to compare. If an active drawing is open, Drawing Compare auto-completes the first drawing selection with the active drawing. Select the second drawing to be compared by clicking on the File Explorer button or by selecting from the drop-down of recent files. Drawing Compare will highlight the changes in your first drawing in green and the second drawing in red. These colors can be customized before or after the comparison is launched. After the two drawings to be compared are selected, launch the comparison by clicking Compare. Drawing Compare automatically overlays the two drawings and displays the comparison results in a new tab. Parts of Drawing 1 that differ are highlighted in green. Parts of Drawing 2 that differ are highlighted in red. Parts that are common to Drawing 1 and Drawing 2 are shown in gray. To make it easy to view and navigate the differences, Drawing Compare provides several tools in the ribbon to customize how the comparison is displayed. Each drawing can be turned on and off to help view the changes. Parts of the drawing that are shared by both drawings can be turned on and off as well. The highlighting colors can be customized by clicking on the color field next to each drawing. Toggles are provided to include or exclude text and hatches in the comparison. If the hatch toggle is turned off, changes to hatches in the drawings will not be included in the comparison. To help identify changes, Drawing Compare automatically creates revision clouds around them. The size of the revision clouds can be adjusted by sliding the margin up and down. Automatic revision clouds can be drawn in either rectangular or polygonal shapes to enable more precise clouding. Drawing Compare allows easy navigation of each change set. To see each change set in detail, click the arrows under the margin slider. This automatically zooms and pans to the next change set for detailed reviewing.